I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2010 Toyota Highlander radio, updated. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and laying out your tools on a soft cloth. I'll walk you through removing trim, unscrewing the head unit, and unplugging connectors safely. Follow each step slowly, keep screws organized, and double-check connectors before pulling the radio free to avoid damage. And before you begin, double-check you have a trim tool, screwdrivers, a 10mm socket, and a magnetic tray for fasteners. Remove any loose items from the cabin and put the vehicle in park with the parking brake set. Work on one side at a time and place removed panels in order to make reassembly faster. If clips resist, back off and inspect to avoid breaking fragile plastic pieces during removal. Start by prying the climate and radio trim outwards evenly, then remove visible screws securing the head unit. Slide the radio forward slowly while watching for hidden clips or harnesses behind it. Disconnect the antenna and main wiring harness by depressing the release tabs and pulling straight out to prevent bent pins. If a connector feels stuck, wiggle gently and check for a secondary lock, then set the radio aside on a protected surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.